Hi everybody, it's Sarah from Camel City Counseling, and I just hopped on so that I could share a tutorial on a quick visualization to help everybody get to sleep tonight. Sleep is foundational for our well-being. It helps us repair overnight when we're experiencing so much during the day. Our body keeps the score. It's holding all of the emotional content and experiences that we're having throughout the day, especially if we're really busy, if we're on the front lines working with COVID patients, or just simply hearing the news and reports coming in. So, in addition to getting outside, spending time with loved ones, snuggling with pets, working off that excess anxious energy, having a visualization to help your body go into a state of rest and digest, which is what we need when we lay down to go to sleep. Kind of get our mind to slow down, our heart rate to slow down, our breathing to slow down. So this quick visualization will hopefully help you do that. There's more tips and tricks and resources and all kinds of things that we'll be posting in the coming days. So we'll just start with this though. So when you're lying in bed or wherever you're sleeping and you're ready to get your eyes closed and your body to slow down, you might start to notice increased awareness, really, of what your body's been holding throughout the day. So if that's the case for you, then what I'd like for you to do is simply notice where your body is holding the tension. So that might be your feet, your hands, your arms, your face, your neck, your shoulders, your forehead, your jaw, your neck. A lot of people hold tension and notice their emotional life happening within their trunk area, their gut, or their heart area. So just notice where you're holding the tension, and if it's here, I'll just use this as an example. If it's here, I want you to put your hand where you're holding the tension. I want you to put it there on your body. You can keep your eyes closed or keep them open. It doesn't matter. If you're trying to fall asleep, you might want to close them though. Closing your eyes can sometimes help you obviously block out sensory input that's going to be distracting. So you can do this. And if you're holding tension here, you may want to gently rub that area. Give yourself some self-soothing attention to that area of the body that's holding tension for you so that you could focus all day at work. So just notice that area. And what I want you to do in this visualization is I want you to now picture the area of your body that's holding tension as being filled with red light particles. They're floating there. You know, it's a ball of red light particles maybe sitting in your chest. And once you have that visualization complete, I now want you to visualize a very calm, peaceful, nurturing stream of blue light particles coming down, streaming down through the top of your head. And they're just flowing in through the top of your head, and they're streaming down slowly and peacefully to the area of your body that's filled with red light particles. And as you're noticing that, you're just simply noticing the calming and comforting feeling of those blue light particles flowing through your body and entering this space of tension. Now, as you notice entering that space of tension, I want you to visualize those blue light particles starting to fill up that space in your body where the tension, the red light particles, are. Maybe even take a deep breath and blow it out. Give yourself some exhale, some room, some space And I want you to hold this visualization until this area of your body that was holding tension and filled with red light particles is now being filled with calm, soothing blue light particles. And I want you to stick with this visualization till it's complete, till all of the red light particles have floated away, melted away, disappeared, however you want to visualize it. And all that's left are blue light particles in that area of your body. It may take a few minutes. It may take 5 minutes. It may take 10 minutes. But it's going to be a great use of your minutes to do this exercise. As always, don't forget to breathe. Leave room for an exhale. You can close your eyes or keep them open. It doesn't matter. If you're working towards sleep, go ahead and close them. And when you're all finished, take a few deep cleansing breaths, large exhales. Let that tension move out of your body through your exhale. And hopefully that'll help you be able to rest and digest tonight or whenever you need to get to sleep. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye.